the Icelandic music, you can hear the nature, you can hear the sound. And when you listen to Björk's music, you can almost hear the spring summer nights.
All these accidents that happen, follow the dark.
And it's a fascinating country to be working in music because the country gives so much back. The country has forces of nature here that I've never seen anywhere else. My window looks over the Aurora Borealis at wintertime. You turn off the lights and you see them. You can feel the wind coming, you can feel the rain coming, you can feel the snow coming. You really are, it actually hits you in such a different way that I've never seen on all my travels, and I've traveled extensively. You feel it. And the creative industries is actually really, you can see how the creative industry is moved by that force of nature. This is the earth we come from. We should definitely all have a look at it. We should look at the earth and go, this is the island. We were born here, we were raised here. What has it given out? It's given out a very special aesthetic. For me, it's very important to see how one color can be in such how many variations, how it actually, the satin takes the color differently, the mohair takes the color differently, the red is luminous. Everybody's looking into their own soul and trying to figure out, who are you? Where did we fail? Who are we? Where are we going with the future? And is this something we're going to give our children? You're looking at buttons, you're looking at prices on buttons, you're looking, am I going to lose my identity if I do this, this, and this? And I'm wondering sometimes myself, why didn't I think like this before? So you're finding very creative solutions on how you go about designing going forward. Are we ashamed of this? Yes. I'm ashamed of my country for going through this, the most worst financial crisis of, I think, this century or last century. Yes, I am. But I'm not going to walk away from it. I'm definitely gonna fight for it.